Today we are here. It's a multi-zone system LG inverter board has been defective, so we have the board here. We're gonna change it. We're removing all the equipments to get to the board. It's a big unit. It's a little bit cold right now, Montreal. So now we're running the unit, the RV. We have this device LG MV to connect to the VRV system to troubleshoot and monitor the system. Right now it's in a cooling mode and is working fine. And we're taking the amperage. That helps a lot. The LG device is connected to the application and we can see everything from there.